So,
today Richie is going to do my makeup.
Holler.
This is for shitty
This
nights.
is our makeup, and I'm gonna look pretty for the club tomorrow.
Let me just say, what the fuck is this? Do all women keep this in their purses?
Okay.
When girls get lonely?
It's your
Alright.
Go ahead and get started.
What do we got here? Super fit makeup. What does that mean?
Fuck
that. What the fuck? This is like my skin tone.
Not pretty.
Let's see. I don't know where to... How do you guys...
Go.
Alright.
Dive in.
Imagine you start in by the cheeks, you know? Should, alright. This is gonna look great.
All else fails.
Can I use this here?
Can't tell you.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna go all out with it.
Oh wow, you really filling that brush up.
I mean, I don't know. It's hot, right? It's banging.
Totally hot. It's hot. Yeah. We don't have a camera. Oh no, I have it on my phone. Yes, we're good to go.
Is it like a puzzle? Like, do you guys figure out? Okay, for sure. I need a little more. Just a little more.
It's trying to make me look like a streetwalker.
Ah. Night walker. Night walker. What?
Don't drop that. Dun.
See, she's got it. Look at her. She's ready.
I'm ready to work my corners.
So, okay, I can kind of work with that. Just close your eyes. Hey, you're gonna be holy fuck.
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna be
This is working. Whoa, I know what's gonna get you ready for the club. The club. Let's go.
I hate that sound.
Yeah, there you go. Thanks for helping me out there. Kimberlea looks so hot.
Kim, you look so exotic. Oh, I like the cat eye.
This is a masterpiece.
That one's cute. Did you do mascara?
Oh, which way is this? Like that? Or like... Okay. So, I'm trying not to... Nope. Hand shaking.
I'm bad too.
It's perfect for shitty nights.
This side might be bad. Please don't cry. We can fix this.
No, she's like a droopy looking clown.
Ratchet?
Hell yeah.
Ratchet.
Make him nice and shapely. Like very defined.
You're gonna look like one of the cholas. Don't move! You move!
Holy fuck.
I'm so scared. No, but you can't see it in here. It's just videotaping. Mr. DJ, won't you turn the music up? Mr. DJ, somebody replay.
That's good on them too. Alright, look up.
Do you want me to do it for real or like?
This is good?
No,
Yeah.
Crazy.
Whoa!
Oh my god, okay. Well, wait.
Close your eye.
Close your eye. Don't smile. You look so pretty. Turn towards me. Look at Richie and look down. Look at She blinks. I am so good.
Alright. I think this is dirty. Alright. Yeah. Just put it there.
There's a line down my face. Look at that shit. Okay, so this is the finished product. Just a close up.
We want to go get the supply.
Open Gangnam Style.
Yeah, look at that lash.
The supplies.
Oh god, sexy. I'm gonna be killing him. Yeah.
On this club.
Look, he even brought out my eyes.
Like, those eyebrows are fucking hot.
They are hot.
Okay. See, look at that! Ah!
That was beautiful. This is going on YouTube.
Alright, move the